Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to show or hide content on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So what you want to do guys, you want to swipe up and you want to find settings, open that. Then go ahead and tap on notifications. Now you want to find lock screen notification, tap on that and you want to enable this first and foremost. Now you have two options here. You have show content, and basically under show content you will be able to tap the gear on the right hand side, and from here you will find a list of all your applications in your phone, and from here you can enable or disable any specific applications that you want to show there within your phone. So you can basically toggle these on or off so that you can find different notifications, or you can turn them off as well. Now if you have a bunch of applications here, as you can see there's quite a lot. If you want to enable those notifications but you don't want them on the lock screen, you can simply go ahead and hide the content. So you will get the icon there showing that you have the notification on the lock screen, but it will not show the content or the message of that on your lock screen. So for example, if you're using, for example, WhatsApp, yeah, and you come here and you open up show content, right? Say you open up show content, you can turn on WhatsApp message and messenger, right? And even messages. Now what's going to happen when you go back to your lock screen, you can hide the content, but you will still have the icon to show that you have particular message from that application, but it will not show the message details, let's say. And that's how you do it guys. Very easy and very simple.